Hey everybody, Mark the Lost Traveler here, and we're ready to travel. Well, I'm going down the road to hear about this haunted car wash here at SHINE Carwash, so we're gonna check it out. This might be pretty fun. Oh my God, look at this, the first encounter is bringing me in. Come on in.
Welcome to the haunted town.
What the heck is going on here? We got 3 bloody bodies here. They've already got caution tape around there. There's a cemetery right across from the bodies that we saw. Skeleton, this guy is trying to escape. Here's all the scary people. Fog is rolling in. Let's hit the tunnel. Oh, here we go. We are going through the car wash. I don't see anything yet. All the kids up in front of this car, they're all scared. Alright, I don't know how good this is going to come out in the dark, but we're going to go through the haunted car wash. There's those gravestones we saw earlier. Dead bodies. I don't know, we're coming around the corner here. Holy mackerel, look at these people. Goose. Oh my God. This is crazy. All right, they're bringing me on through here. All right. We're set. Oh, geez. Oh, look at this guy banging on my windows. Oh, this is great. Oh, God, look at this guy. Oh, this is nice. They're gonna scare us. We can't see this through the foam. They're just gonna pop out. You know it's coming. Oh, God. Look at this guy next to me. We're gonna be spinning this camera all over the place. Oh, I see a guy over here. I don't see him. I know he's over there. Oh, there he is. Oh, oh God. Oh, I see a guy. Oh, look at. Oh, oh. Look at this guy. Holy mackerel. This is pretty cool. Not bad for a first year doing this. Oh my God. I don't know if you can see the gorilla with the light there though, but they're still surrounded by a car. That's pretty cool. I'm sure it's not over. I'm waiting for somebody to jump out over here. Look at this guy. Oh, he's telling me to go that way. I almost crashed myself. Woo, look at this guy. Let me focus this thing. Oh, that was really cool. Oh man, I don't know. I don't know. Ah! Oh, Jesus. We're getting out of here. We're getting out of here. I heard there's free candy. Let's go for free candy. Oh, now he's following me. Now he's gonna follow me. And he can run. We're getting out of here. We're getting out of here. Hurry up. Oh. They're all over here. They're waving me on. Oh, whoa.
Would you like some candy?
I would love some candy.
And
Thank
some
you
snacks?
and some
There you
snacks.
go.
Thank you very much. This was really cool.
Thank you.
Thank you. Look at this guy. Woo! Good car wash. Well, that, ladies and gentlemen, is going to be the last car of the night. Pretty good. They had about 40 to 50 cars. Not bad for a first year. They have it for about 5 more days, and that'll be it. But I was talking to the owner, and every year they'll make it a little more scarier and scarier as they add more things. But all in all, not bad. And on that note,
Travel well!